Starting your own business is an exciting venture, and utilizing YouTube as a platform to reach and engage with your audience can be a highly effective strategy. Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the steps involved in starting your own business. Whether you have a brilliant idea or a passion you want to turn into a profitable venture, starting a business can be a rewarding journey. And what better way to share your journey and connect with your audience than through YouTube? Number 1. Finding your niche. The first step in starting a business is identifying your niche. What unique product, service, or expertise can you offer to the market? Take some time to brainstorm ideas and research the demand for your potential business. Number 2. Research and planning. Once you have found your niche, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and create a solid business plan. This plan should include your target market, competitive analysis, pricing strategy, marketing and sales plan, and financial projections. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is the foundation for a successful business. Number 3. Legal requirements. Every business must comply with legal requirements. Research the specific licenses, permits, and registrations necessary for your type of business and location. Our recommendation is to consult with a professional such as an attorney or accountant to ensure you meet all legal obligations. Number 4. Funding your business. One of the biggest challenges when starting a business is funding. There are several options you can consider, such as self-funding, loans, grants, or seeking investors. Research these options, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision about the best funding method for your business. Number 5. Brand development. Building your brand is essential for creating a strong presence in the market. Develop a unique brand identity, including your business name, logo, color scheme, and overall brand message. Clearly communicate what sets your business apart from competitors, and consistently incorporate this branding across all platforms, including your YouTube channel. Number 6. Setting up your online presence. Now it's time to establish your online presence, starting with your YouTube channel. Create a channel that reflects your brand and showcases your expertise. Optimize your channel by including relevant keywords and a compelling description. Plan your video content strategy, keeping in mind your target audience's needs and interests. Number 7. Producing engaging content. Content is king on YouTube. To attract and retain viewers, create engaging videos that provide value. This can include tutorials, tips, product reviews, behind-the-scenes footage, or stories of your entrepreneurial journey. Invest in quality equipment and constantly improve your video production skills to deliver professional-looking content. Number 8. Promoting your channel. In order to grow your YouTube channel, you need to actively promote it. Share your videos on other social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers or businesses in your niche, and engage with your audience through comments and community features. Consistency and interaction are key to building a loyal subscriber base. Number 9. Monetizing your channel. Turning your YouTube channel into a revenue stream is an achievable goal. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, such as reaching 1,000 subscribers and having at least 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or by creating your own digital products. Number 10. Adapting and evolving. Lastly, remember that entrepreneurship is an ongoing journey. Continuously adapt to market changes, learn from feedback, and embrace innovation. Keep analyzing your YouTube analytics and adjust your content strategy accordingly to ensure growth and success. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards starting your own business and using YouTube as a platform for growth. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires hard work, dedication, and constant learning. Embrace the challenges, connect with your audience, and show the world what you have to offer. That concludes today's video. If you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth business advice. And as always, feel free to share.